Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a haul video for you guys. I haven't filmed one of these in a really long time. I personally love watching hauls still. I don't know if you guys still like watching them, but I've been doing the same amount of retail therapy and just getting things here and there because what girl doesn't love shopping? I have beauty items, clothes, and accessories to share with you guys. So lots of good things. I'm really excited to talk about it. So, all right, you guys know that I have been obsessed with just getting like new sets of earrings because I just really like earrings. Like ever since I got my 5th piercings, you probably can't tell, but like the 5th cartilages, I just like somehow just started getting a lot of earrings for my first lobe. Okay, let me just start off with Justine Clenquet. They'd be so cool for like date night or just like going out with friends and just taking cool pictures, selfies in these. Usually the ones I get from Justine Clenquet are like the 不对称那种, but these ones are just regular and they're the same on both sides. So like, it just adds like a statement to the look. And I just think it's really cool. Also have a necklace to share with you guys. Really cute. I haven't worn this one either, but basically it's this thick, chunky silver necklace, and then it has like this chain rhinestone coming off of one side. And then it has this little cute little pink rhinestone, which is adorable. I'm obsessed, I love. Kind of like that. Obviously, like, I feel like it'll look better with like a tank top. A tank top that I'm gonna share with you guys later, but I mean, I love chunky silver necklaces, so I can't go wrong with this. Okay, I'm pretty sure I also didn't share with you guys this set, but it's also another set of earrings. It's just like this, so cute. Basically has like a little pink rhinestone on one side, and then on the other side it looks like this. It's so pretty. It's like just this long chain pink crystal link going down with like some other chain detailings. I just love earrings like this, you guys know, and yeah, this is so cute. I'm obsessed. Pretty sure I shared this with you guys, but I'll just talk about it again. And it's mainly just silver, but it has a little pink rhinestone on this side, and it just looks like that. This is a little bit more of like a more basic type of look compared to the last one, but still really cute. Two things from ABYB Charming. They sent me this. It's not sponsored. I just really wanted to share them with you guys because I really like jewelry and I like this brand, and they sent it to me and I just was really happy. I already posted on Instagram, but first is this set of earrings. It's part of their like August new collection, I think. It's basically got arrows and like pink little rhinestone hearts. It'll just look like that, just dangling off, and it's just really cute. I mean, I love silver, I love pink, so this is just like right up my alley. Yeah, they also sent me a necklace, which I'm also very excited about as well. Also a silver chain, which I love, and it's just got arrows as well as little rhinestone hearts as well. It's the like配套 set, you know what I mean? It's like a matching set. So that's that. Thank you so much for the jewelry. I'm not sure if they're watching this, but this is the Diptyque Eau Rose hair mist, and it smells so good, guys. I have the Eau Rose body lotion. I think I talked about it in like a favorites video. It doesn't come off as overpowering given that it's a hair mist. First of all, gorgeous. Nice matte bottle with like the classic Diptyque vibes. It just smells like natural roses. It's perfect. I think it's amazing. Smells so good, guys. Like this Eau Rose hair mist from Diptyque can double up as a perfume, so it'll have like this nice refreshing rose scent lingering on your hair. This is a blush that was sold out for a long time, and then I got the notification that it came back in stock on Sephora. Essentially, it's a Dior blush, and this is the Dior Backstage Rosy Glow blush in the shade 001 Pink. It's just the most beautiful pink color. It makes your complexion look so good. A little bit goes a long way. Once you put it on, your cheeks have this beautiful, just pinky rosy flush that looks like you're just glowing from within. And like, that's just the type of makeup that I love, like that kind of no makeup vibe. I'm wearing a 3CE blush right now, but this one I've been wearing a lot since I got it, just because it's so pretty. And then I just got 2 backups of some of my everyday products. The Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade Intense Black. I've honestly been probably using this product since I was like 15. So yeah. And then this is the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 4 Warm Deep Brown. It's like the thicker version of their brow pencil. I like the thicker one versus like the thinner one because I think sometimes the thinner one, like I go in with like a heavy hand and it just comes out really unnatural. Very like a cult favorite brow pencil. Again, I've been using it probably since I was like 15 or 16 years old, so it's an old favorite, it's a classic. Let me talk about the tank top that I was saying would look good with the Justine Clenquet necklace. It's a Misbehaved tank top. They have the classic Misbehaved tank top where it's like tan and black, but I really like the black and black one. I think it's a little bit more different than the ones that people have. And also it's just really freaking cute. It has this silver detailed chain as like the straps. But yeah, I got a size medium because Misbehave runs small. This size medium is honestly perfect for me. So if you guys are usually like a small or extra small, honestly size up one size, like you won't regret it because this is really tight. It does have a zipper in the back, so it makes it a little bit easier to put on and take off. But besides that, it's just so easy to wear, very beta. You know, you can wear it with shorts, jeans, with like a cardigan. You can wear it with like Frankie shop pants and like a cap and like a little bag, and it'll be so cute. So I love this. All right, guys, and then I got this pair of shorts that looks so good. Like, I just want to mention this because even my mom was saying like that's the best fitting short that you have. It's the classic black Alexander Wang denim shorts with the white font. It's so cute, guys. Okay, obviously when I'm holding it up, you can't really tell, but it just hugs you. It just hugs you so well. I'm holding it like this because I wore it out and I think it's kind of dirty, but guys, like they are so freaking cute. It just looks good with anything. The most basic things, this will just like make your outfit look so much cuter. So I really recommend this pair of shorts. Also, they have a million different colors. They have the black one, they have the white one, they have the light wash denim, they have the dark wash denim. So I have a dress to share with you guys. This is a gray dress. I love bodycon dresses. I mean, I've always loved bodycon dresses because it just like hugs you really well and it just like, it looks good. It's ribbed, so freaking cute. I think I got this in a size extra small, but surprisingly it fits really well. So this is just what it looks like. I love how the straps are thick. It just makes it look cuter. I don't know why, I just like the thick straps of it, really cute. It looks great by itself. You can also wear it with like a little cardigan. You can wear it with like a little denim jacket. Love this dress, and let's move on. Last item, guys, to share with you guys is a hoodie. It's from Maison Margiela. I also like their styles. I love their bags. I love the 5AC line. I think it's so cute. It's so casual. Like, as someone who just loves casual style, I think their 5AC line is perfect. And I got this in a size large women's so that I could like wear it with like biker shorts during the fall or something. I think it'll be so cute. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I love how the hood is like that, like it crisscrosses. It just looks a little bit more effortless. They also have this at the back of all their stuff, like on the back of my purse. It also has this like little sewn in detail. So yeah, it just adds a little bit of character. It just shows off their design. So I really like it. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the end of today's video. That's the end of today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I love watching haul videos. I love watching what other people buy. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and also check me out on my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box below. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.